This is my 1995 Honda Civic EG5 VTi hatchback, and I'm bringing it back to life. As you can see, the shell has just been freshly painted in its original colour, Harvard Blue Metallic. The plan is to restore it with the original VTi interior and trim, all cleaned up and refurbished to the best possible standard. I've kept as many of the original parts as I can and restoring them so they're as good as or better than they were when they left the factory. Any bare metal parts that had surface rust have been stripped and refurbished, powder coated where possible and painted where not, and that's to protect them for the long term. Anything too far gone has been replaced with genuine Honda parts. When it comes to performance, this Civic's getting something pretty special. A B18B VTEC engine with a Pulsar 5455G turbo, and it's currently making about 225 kilowatts at the wheels. It's paired with an S80 gearbox and the DC2 Integra VTi-R. It's got the 4.4 final drive and the helical LSD. The engine block has forged pistons, H-beam rods and King racing bearings, so it's built to handle boost. I do plan to tune it higher, so let me know in the comments how much power you think I should aim for. Alongside the performance, I'm adding some authentic JDM EG6 upgrades to the car. The automatic climate control, power folding mirrors, the white-faced SIR cluster, and the rare Honda Access double-din console. Plus all the lighting is going to be replaced with amber LEDs for that authentic JDM look. I also have the handbrake console with the optional armrest, and I have it covered in matching VTi fabric. And to finish it all off, I've got a brand new set of replica EG6 floor mats with the anti-slip rubber backing. The next stage is the fun part, putting all these new, restored and upgraded parts back onto the car. Since this Civic will eventually be sold, I'm documenting the whole process so the next owner can see exactly what's gone into the build. But once I've got enough footage of the parts and the reassembly, I'll put it all together in a full video.